The deterioration of the National Stadium was the only negative on a night filled with positives at the Gibson McCook Relay Awards banquet held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel on Thursday. The Gibson McCook Relays celebrated 50 years of competition at the National Stadium at this year's staging. Now the event could witness the National Stadium transform as calls go out for the venue to leave the shadow of the past behind. And former Jamaica Olympic Association JOA President Mike Fennell has joined the calls for the redevelopment if the nation is to advance its ambitions of hosting major international events.
When the stadium has been modernized, because the stadium itself in its present condition could not host those events. The stadium is very old. It's just 62 years old now. The government has initiated plans for its refurbishment, and it's taken a little while, but it's quite expensive. And the minister made an announcement in Parliament about the program to refurbish it and modernize the stadium. So we just have to work on that to get it really up to scratch.
Meanwhile, the only living member of the five who began the Gibson McCook Relays in 1973, Audley Hewitt, was recognized for his service and recalls how the event came to be.
About 5 of us who used to go to Penn Relays, we came back one year and we said, we could do this in Jamaica. And we kept talking about it for about 3-4 years. And one year we said, come, make us stop talking and make us do it. And just like that, and within about 9 months, we were ready to go. And we just kept going, and it has turned out to be a wonderful, wonderful thing that we did.
Outgoing Jamaica College sprinter Malik Smith Band, who will be attending the University of Florida, collected the Best Male High School Award on behalf of the team.
Well, knowing us, we always love running relays. Relays have always been something we have always wanted to go out there and represent as best. It's always been a passion to doing it, because it's more like doing track and field is normally more single, but the relay shows more teamwork, so it's always been a great feeling, especially winning a relay.
And Carol Cuffley, who has been a track official for the relays for over 45 years, was awarded for her service.
It's a very special honor because not only I enjoyed serving, but it's also because of the honor of the two persons whom the relays are named after, both Bishop Gibson and Teddy McCook, two persons whom I have a great deal of respect for.